Hello, and let's make some Shami kabab. Before we get into it, please subscribe and like. Here I'm using 2 kg beef, which I am cutting myself as I like to cut them in long strips, which looks way better when I shred it in the end. I'm using an instant pot for my recipe, so I'm using whole red chilies, a little salt to taste, 2 tablespoons roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder. I added 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Mix it all well and put it in your instant pot for 40 minutes on high pressure. 2 cups chana dal washed, and then I add 4 cups of water and put it on a high pressure of 25 minutes. For our shami kebabs, we're gonna add coriander to it, so we chop it up and wash it real fine. We use few onions chopped, and for best results, try to drain the water from the onions through a cloth. For some meat, I'm using green chilies and I'm cutting them real fine. After the pressure is done and all the water is dried up, you shred your meat. This makes it easy to mix in with all the spices afterwards. Now it is time to mix in all our spices and vegetables into our kebabs. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons garam masala, 2 teaspoons lal mirch powder, 2 tablespoons roasted cumin powder, 2 eggs. Eggs help the mixture to keep together and mix it all well. Add salt to taste. Make kebabs in any size you like. I like them in medium sizes, so I make them in the same size as possible. Use a little water on your gloves to make them more slippery. Fry your kebabs in low to medium heat and enjoy. For more recipes and all, please subscribe and follow and hit the bell icon. See you all in the next video.